Today I microwaved a fork because my soup was cold and now I hear colors, so I made soup. Forgot it was soup. Went to play Minecraft. Came back 40 minutes later. Soup was sad and cold like my GPA. Naturally, I tossed it in the microwave. But I left the fork in on purpose because I thought metal heat, das faster soup. Microwave said no. It sparked. I panicked. Slammed the door shut like that would stop the microwave gods. It didn't. Soup exploded. Fork bent. Fire alarm went off. Cat screamed. I screamed louder. Now the kitchen smells like war crimes and my soup tastes like static.